Bro, AI num life easy ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Look at how every task that used to challenge you has suddenly gone silent. ನೀವ್ notice ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, but the friction that used to build your mental strength is disappearing. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ AI use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ for notes, coding and organizing ideas because it feels completely effortless. But we have to ask ourselves, does removing every obstacle from a task lead to a better version of you? Grabbing an instant answer creates a vacuum where actual comprehension used to live. Solving a problem used to require sitting with the discomfort of not knowing the answer right away. Now, that struggle is replaced by the copy-paste prompt reflex. This diagram compares manual problem solving to the AI bypass. The jagged line represents cognitive resistance, which the brain needs to stay sharp. Without that resistance, the critical thinking muscle begins to atrophy, losing its ability to navigate complex ideas. Bro, honest agi hellu. Simple doubt bandre kuda, neevu Google madalla. You go straight to the AI. Relying on direct AI prompting for every minor doubt signals a clinical dependency on the algorithm to function. By outsourcing the struggle, you surrender your cognitive autonomy to a black box. Modern hustle culture thrives on the dopamine hit of generating massive output in seconds with a few prompts. Generating a high volume of content creates a sense of productivity that your actual skills can't back up. The AI generates the value while you sit back as a spectator, watching the work happen. These pillars represent core human capabilities: writing, deep thinking, and problem solving. They follow a strict biological use it or lose it rule. When you stop exercising these skills daily, the bars deplete. AI dependency provides a shortcut that leaves these foundations to perish. This train happens so slowly that you feel like you're making progress even as your base skills vanish. This cycle of generating without thinking hides a steady loss of skill under a mountain of machine-made output. It's easy to frame the technology as a villain that is actively ruining our ability to think. AI serves as a mirror for your own habits. The tool doesn't create the laziness, it reveals it. Smart users treat AI as an augment to their own thoughts, a tool to expand on ideas they already have. Lazy users treat it as a replacement for the brain itself. Next time you open that interface, pause before you hit enter on your next prompt. Ask yourself if this interaction represents genuine learning, or if you are simply skipping the work required to grow.